good morning, guys. It's a gloomy June morning. Yeah, it's starting to rain. It's rainy season. It's a very cloudy day. It's like bad weather, as they call it. And today, yes, this is our morning drive back home. And yes, it's like the good morning to all the frontliners and doctors, those wearing scrub suits and PPEs today. Good morning. Yes, today is another June day and another GCQ day, and there are more cases for the third consecutive day. Cebu has over 100 new cases. Oh no! For 3 days, so it's over 300 in the past 3 days. So I don't know, is this the effect of GCQ? I don't know, it's a mass transmission, and let's see what happens after 1 week. Will we revert back to ECQ or not? Surely depends on our leaders, and I hope, they watch the data, the figures. Oh, tanawa na, nagmotor, nag-angkas pa yun. How did they get away with it? Baka sa ilisod lagi, way sakyanan, no? May panis sila, nagtapok dire. Daghan na nagbike, and of course grab food, and our friends from Food Panda also, and our motorcycle riding friends are having a busy day, an early busy schedule. So look at the streets now. So so many cars already. It's like, it's almost like pre-COVID. We're number coding, but yeah, there are so many people now out on the streets. And hello, the Food Panda guys. Very busy. There's a government vehicle, vans for teletech. Then we have taxis. We have armored cars, SUVs. So yeah, so many people now out on the streets. So, yeah, passengers, commuters, and Jollibee. It's not as busy as normal, but yeah. This is Scario at 8 a.m. in the morning, and we see a lot of people walking to work, biking, and I haven't seen jeeps yet, but yes, we've seen buses, people's jeep, and there, like, oh, pretty busy, pretty crowded. Feels like normal. Yeah, but we have to be careful, Japon, all Cebuanos. Yes, we have to minimize time instances that we go out for unimportant matters, because it's not a joke. We have over 100 cases every day here in Cebu, and we are in GCQ, and many people have a GCQ mindset that sometimes they go out even if it's not gonna be allowed, or even if there's still a lot of risk going out right now, especially now that there are a lot of cases. And it's funny because now we have cases that people that we actually know, like friends of friends. And like before, we only hear about people na di na to kaila. Now may mga cases na talaga na we somehow are connected to them, or we've met them before. So it's like scary. So you have to be careful. So that brings us to this traffic. Yes, I don't know. Many people are probably going to work, but many people are probably traveling somewhere, going to the provinces or going home or something like that. So I can't fault them. But yes, there's really a marked increase in people on the road. So we have a lot of bikers now, and it's starting to rain, and rains, the change in weather, and it could lead to some, a lot of fever, colds, which could also like be like the symptom for the virus. So let's stay healthy, let's drink our vitamins, get enough sleep, eat eat healthy food. So manang no diet muna, just eat really good food, healthy food. Don't put your body at risk. Yeah, drink your vitamins. So over here in Ayala,
slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Yeah, so no, not much people, but so normally when I drive, I listen to Jiggy in the morning over Y101 FM. Yes, good music, good free music. Thanks to our friends from the FM stations all over the country, all over the world, I would say. And yes, and somehow the DJs of FM stations are still working, which is good. Keeps us company while we're driving, and with some good music. Although we can't play it now because there are so many not issues. I mean, it's intellectual property, so we're gonna pay for. I mean, if we're gonna publish it, they own the music. So you see there are so many people riding bikes. It's an early morning drive, so many people are going to work most likely because this is too early for mall, and this is too early for going just for out for fun. Yeah, it's the rainy season is here. Yeah, gloomy weather, nice weather actually. It's really, it's compared to the very hot summer. This one's now are in our wet and cold season somehow. So thank you so much for accompanying me in this morning drive. Nothing much happened. Yes, all I can say is Cebu's more cases, and you see more people on the streets. People outside, probably some, malls are open. Most likely, people are going out to malls. So just be careful. Keep on wearing masks. Don't talk to, you know, uh, um, avoid close contacts like talking. And sometimes they say that the virus strikes are we get infected when we put our guards down. So especially when you're staying at lounges, staying with your office mates, avoid talking too much without mask, avoid close contacts, and always be careful and disposing masks. Stop touching your face, wash your hands, and if you're out when you arrive home, take a bath. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and this is like the day 10 of GCQ. So let's just keep safe and see you in our next videos. Bye guys.